Fáilte go céile Theaghlaich go measáiríte a ha na fáiste lá na Gaelic 2000 agus fichit sa hyn. Chai an céile seo a chudí chéile le Fèis Rois, buin a ha a bros nach ché cultúr na Gaelic, agus a tuairs codan go duine de gachais ceol traditionta a chléich. My name's Megan Dale and I'm delighted to be hosting this céile, which is a collaboration between Fèis Rois, the Highland Council and Salmo Rustic. Over the next half hour or so, you'll hear from lots of people about their experiences with Gaelic medium education in the Highlands. I came through the Gaelic unit at Dingle Primary School, and I continued doing Gaelic throughout secondary school before going on to graduate from the University of Edinburgh. I'm now in my second year at Salmo Rustic, studying for a diploma in Gaelic media. I'm a musician and I've had the opportunity to regularly present on BBC Radio and Gael, and although my parents don't have Gaelic, they made the amazing decision to send me through Gaelic medium education when I was younger, and this has opened so many doors for me.
Kimera Hashiv, I'm Brian, this is Ro, this is Orla, and this is Fionag, and we live in Inverness, and we're going to tell you a wee bit about Gaelic medium education and then sing for you a Gaelic song, which we hope that you'll join us in.
So both Orla and Ro went to the Gaelic primary school here in Inverness, and overall it was a great experience. They both continued to take some subjects through the medium of Gaelic in secondary as well. I think as parents we felt that the whole experience was positive, and I think what's great about, well, one of the many things that's great about Gaelic medium education is that it's very inclusive. Any child can go to a Gaelic school.
So I think what's really benefited me from going through Gaelic medium education is that I've had a greater appreciation of different cultures, as well as it's easier for me to learn new languages as well, which I'm really passionate about.
One thing that I enjoyed about learning in Gaelic medium is that, you know, it gave me so many different opportunities that I wouldn't have gotten originally.
So yeah, Gaelic medium education is very inclusive, really enjoyable, and you get to learn about Gaelic culture and our history and our traditions, and of course the singing tradition is one of our great passions, and we're going to sing a song now called Saun an ilidh, which means it's in Isla, and the chorus goes Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, I was born, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, in beautiful Isla. So it's about someone singing about how they were born in Isla and how beautiful it is. So try and join in with us. You'll get the words pretty easy. Here we go.
Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, goram an yard, rugag me, so hugag me, Saun an ilidh, goram an yard, rugag me, so vami, Saun an ilidh, goram an yard, rugag me, so hugag me, Saun an ilidh, goram an yard, rugag me, so vami, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Nuair a miaun an ilidh, vac a trína cuireadh, Nuair a miaun an ilidh, vac a trína córam, Nuair a miaun an ilidh, vac a trína cuireadh, Nuair a miaun an ilidh, vac a trína córam, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, voioch, rugag me, so hugag me, Saun an ilidh, voioch, rugag me, so vami, Saun an ilidh, voioch, rugag me, so hugag me, Saun an ilidh, voioch, rugag me, so vami, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, rugag me, Saun an ilidh, Nila, Nila, Saun an ilidh, voioch, Saun Sauna Nila, 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 Sauna Nila, rykk me. Sauna Nila, 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 Sauna Nila, voioch. Sauna Nila, 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 Sauna Nila, rykk me. Sauna Nila, 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 Sauna Nila, voioch.
Nach Roshin Dídach Scania. We're now heading north to Tain in East Ross, where we'll hear from 2 generations of people who have come through the Gaelic unit at Craighill Primary School.
Hello, it's Misha Carey, agus Shaw Leona, and in Dolly Shine Oran Youth. Hi, my name's Carey, and this is my daughter Leona. When it comes to Gaelic medium education, we can't recommend it highly enough. Both my children go to Gaelic medium in Tain, so both went to Craighill, and Leona's now in the academy. And my parents started the Gaelic unit in Tain. They were 2 of the parents that were involved in the first group. So there was the first class in 1988, there was 3 of us. So it's been quite amazing watching the numbers grow year on year. I often get asked, is Gaelic a hard language to learn? But I don't really know the answer to that question because I don't really remember learning it. We went to school, we just picked it up, and there's never really been a point that I ever felt it was hard. So it seems like quite a natural process. Another question I get asked quite a lot is, do parents have to speak Gaelic? And I'd say the answer to that is a definite no. My parents didn't speak any Gaelic, and it didn't make any difference to my education. And when I look at my children's education, I'm a Gaelic speaking parent, but I'm definitely one of the minorities there. Most parents don't have Gaelic, so it's absolutely fine. So what do you think is the best thing about Gaelic medium education for you?
Well, I think I've had a lot more music opportunities than I would in mainstream, and nearly all in class play different instruments, so we were like a big band. And I think I pick up languages quite easily because, like, for example, in primary 6 we started a lunchtime Spanish club, and so like me and a couple of friends wrote out these like exams and coursework for the rest of the class, and they all took part. And we were teaching Spanish through the medium of Gaelic, and it was great fun.
So today we're going to sing an old Gaelic lament called Tuiri Angrai, and then Leona is going to give you a wee tune on the fiddle. Mór an taingur son a géisteach. Huguliam Sagrian san spare, Falilo who got away. Spianu wasam morn mochlev, Falilo who got away la. Jau mogrado shita stro, kota friva sheta nor, jau lemiras blas lapio, skaram varegushke soran. Fure vlad, pamovrones kushmokrai, Djavain jor eruchon lad, Djavain kri nach jol gausol. Koam fai mi biaget port, rek moholes maljapnjol, rek mostjud modrav mojal, jemisei nandualan orui. Huguliam Sagrian san spare, Falilo who got away. Spianu wasam morn mochlev, Falilo who got Corowela.
Has sin inis a dul van near ganier, is sin a curfaltje díos vrarin a leid. I'm delighted to introduce Andra and Johan Cumming, who are going to play us a set of tunes on the accordion. Andra is a pupil at Theaghlaich High School, and Johan is spending his final year at the National Centre of Excellence in Traditional Music at Plockton High School.
Hello, it's Mr. Johan, agus Hami Ochtiak Blinigish. My name is Johan and I'm 18 years old.
Hello, it's Mr. Andra agus Hami Coachie Blinigish. My name is Andra and I am 15 years old. Ashin Furuch an Lehed, Balla a Chlatach an Voshanier, Fashker Gaelic. We live in Leid, which is a coastal town in West Ross near Gaelic.
Ashin a Corman ein trofilm trovian the Gaelic and in Moran Jiffer Joyan. Shoak a figgin you. Ha Arnenachen in Komisach Smunich and in Da Jiffer Kanan, agus Hashina Kutchich, agus a torst Ertis Chokrucho Sahashin, Skill Hacho Kutrmach and in Kjol. We have benefited from Gaelic medium education in many ways. Some of these include the fact that our minds are now able to think in two different languages, which develops and improves our approach to different situations and will enhance our creativity, which is a vital skill in music.
Hashin Kuchuk Pars de Gavel an an imid Coram Gaelic, Tivamui in Room Czechish, at their film G, Fèis agus Jespetin. We have also benefited from the large amount of outside opportunities afforded to us through the Gaelic medium education, such as the film G, the Fèis and debating.
We're now going to play a set of tunes starting with Leaving Store and then going into Dram Behind the Curtain and then finishing off with The Rabbit. I hope you enjoy.
Fashin Firva. From 2 brothers to 2 sisters now, as we welcome Ava and Niamh Durley, who are pupils at Bunscoil Gaelic in Ernish.
Hallo agus fáiltidh go lána Gaelic agus gan chéile seo agus go dtí am dogus go bhfuil grach a cóisteach. Mehéin agus éman, Eva agus Niamh seo has sin dulchluid páisna Gaeilge ach a dáiseach ba bhailm fachla ra mé film traféna Gaelic agus go dtí na buanachgan a handluib film traféna Gaelic. It's lovely to be here today and playing as part of the Family Cèilidh for Lana Gaelic. And we're going to play a few tunes, but before we do, we'd just like to tell you that our girls here, Eva and Niamh, they go to our local school, which is a Gaelic school, and the benefits of bilingual schooling are many and varied. And I guess for me, as a parent, it's amazing to see their minds being opened up to other languages, not just Gaelic and English, of course, but many other cultures and languages around the world. And the philosophy and the mindset you get from speaking 2 languages at an early age is an amazing gift. So if you are interested, there are lots of ways with links and things at the end of this to find out more. So we can click it.
Yeah, she does like that first, Dave. Mildana agus Lisnica.
Mildana agus Lisnica. Kenship.
Good idea. Thank you to the call.
ach ro sin díolach alain. If you're feeling inspired by all the music and songs that you've heard so far, it's your turn to join in next. We created this céilidh as part of an event aimed at parents with very young children, and Caitlin Ross is now going to teach a song that you can all join in with at home. Caitlin is a former pupil of Craighill Primary and Tain Royal Academy, and she now works as a professional musician across Scotland and beyond.
Hello, Hiladunye, having dochas gavalshib ulagama. It's Misha Caitlin. Hello, my name's Caitlin and I speak and sing in Gaelic. I started learning Gaelic when I was in nursery, so a very long time ago. I then went on to Gaelic medium education where I attended a great school in Tain called Bunskal Knocknicknicke. So I started learning Gaelic song when I was in primary 1 and I attended the local mod. The mod is a fantastic competition where you compete and perform Gaelic poetry, Gaelic song. I did Gaelic conversation and I took part in the choir as well. So I loved the mod. It was a great way of learning new songs, new poems, and I met a lot of lovely people as well. So after doing the mod, I started attending weekly Fèis Ross classes, and I absolutely loved this. I couldn't believe how many like-minded people there were to me, and it was so lovely to see how many people actually spoke and sung in Gaelic. So my parents didn't speak the language, none of my family did. But that was no barrier. I had lots of different friends and lots of teachers that spoke the language, so I was still able to speak Gaelic on a day-to-day basis. I've been offered a lot of opportunities over the years that I wouldn't have been able to take part in if I didn't speak or sing in Gaelic. So from a young age, I knew I wanted to be a professional Gaelic singer, and that's exactly what I am now. I'm a professional singer and I tutor Gaelic song as well. And I perform in a band called Theaghlaich. Now, we have toured around the world. We've toured in China, America, Switzerland, Germany, France, loads of different places. And it's been such a great opportunity to showcase Gaelic and Gaelic song to people all over the world. So I'm going to teach you one of my favourite songs that I learnt when I was at Theaghlaich. So if you can stand up please, we can get started. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to be singing about different body parts. Now the first part is ceann. Ceann. Can you say that with me? Ceann. Let's try that again. Ceann. Once more. Ceann. Gléibhe. Our next word is goalin. Goalin. Let's say that together. Goalin. Goalin. Gléibhe. So we have ceann, goalin, ceann, goalin. Let's go to the third word. This is glúin, and you're going to point to your knees. Glúin, and again, glúin. So from the top we have ceann, goalin, glúin. Ceann, goalin, glúin, gléibhe. Our next word is cas. Cas. Let's say that twice more. Cas. Last time. Cas. Gléibhe. Let's piece that together. Ceann, goalin, glúin, cas. Ceann, goalin, glúin, cas. Gléibhe. Now, what song has all of these actions in it? Who can tell me? You're right. It's head, shoulders, knees and toes. So we know Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass. We have 4 more words in this song. We have Sulin. Can you say that with me? Sulin. Let's try that again. Sulin. Last time, Sulin. That's your eyes. Then we have Cloasin. Cloasin. That's your ears. Cloasin. So we have Sulin, Cloasin. Sulin, Cloasin. Our next word is Bial. Bial. Can you say that with me? Bial. Once more. Bial. Gleva. So we have Sulin, Cloasin, Bial. Now the last word is Saron. Saron. Let's say that together. Saron. Saron. And that's your nose. So we have Sulin, Cloasin, Bial is Saron. Sulin, Cloasin, Bial is Saron. Let's try it from the very beginning, starting off with Cian. J-shell, Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass is Sulin, Cloasin, Bial is Saron. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Galeva. Now, I think that was too easy for you. I think we need to speed it up a little bit. Let's see how we get on. J-shall? J-shall. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass is Sulin, Cloasin, Bial is Saron. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Galeva. We are going to do this once more, and this time, let's see if we can do it even faster than that. J-shall, Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass is Sulin, Cloasin, Bial is Saron. Cian, Gwelin, Glonian, Cass, Glonian, Cass. Galeva! Well done!
Amidalalentin orn le oran loi. This is a walking song about Tobermory, so please get up, have a dance, clap your hands, seo active, then mi scrib the hobid vore. Then mi scrib the hobid vore, for fen magelen kommen, helt for you, Savaho, beautiful you. But if I'm a girl and come along, now let them stick on it. Beautiful you. Head is Savaho, beautiful you. Look and let them stick on it, all the gum finger on it. Beautiful you. Savaho, beautiful you. Then mi skriv galaki look at that them magel was beautiful you. Head Savaho, beautiful you. to hear from another former Tain people now, as we welcome the amazing fiddle player Chloe Bryce to join us.
Hello, I'm Chloe and this is Luke, and we're delighted to be playing a little set of tunes for you today as part of La Gaelic ilidh, the Gaelic online Gaelic day. And I am from Ballyhooch, I'm from Tain, and I did Gaelic medium in Tain, and my mum and dad aren't Gaelic speakers, so without Gaelic medium education I wouldn't have been a Gaelic speaker myself. And for me, I think I didn't really think that much about it in school, but since leaving school and working as a musician and teaching music and being able to pass on the language and also find new ways to use the language myself, it's really been a great thing for me to have. And yeah, I think it's good to make use of these opportunities where you can, so I hope you'll consider Gaelic medium education for your little people, or if you're a little person thinking about speaking Gaelic, then give it a try. We're going to play a little set of tunes for you, starting off with one called Mrs. Beams of Cutterhill and then Or Bogey. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
sin díadach álainn bha Chloe. Well, we've come to the end of our Céilidh this afternoon, and if you'd like to find out more about Gaelic and traditional music, you can visit the Fèis Rois, Highland Council and Sal Morostig websites. We're going to finish with a performance from the Mackenzie family from Skye. Thank you so much for joining us. Agus, Chidi and Drast!